me looking calm, baby, inspired.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a real and raw new 2023 clean with me. As you can tell, it is a hot mess in my bedroom, but this is what it feels like when you are depressed. You just let things go for a very long time, and then you have to really work hard to get it all back in order. And I just want to bring out the mental health awareness. Like, I'm not a professional at this or anything like that, but I do know that mental health is real, and I have been dealing with it for a very long time now. And I can just tell now, like, when I'm starting to feel depressed, because my room gets the way that it is, and it's like how my room is, that's how I feel in my brain, like how my mind is going. And it's like there's no way out. There's so much stuff in it. There's so much clutter. There's so much just stuff. And finally, it's like a breakthrough where I can just get it all out, clean it all up. And I know that if my space where I'm living is clean and neat, I can start to feel somewhat better.
Been around the block, but I'm back cause you're the best out. Girl, I know you're tired cause the world don't got you stressed out. This is our chance, baby, don't you let it pass us. Come over, yeah. Been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long.
Also, this is a reminder that this is a judge-free zone. I hate that I had to say that because I feel like I can always be open with you guys. But I also have to remember that I have people who are not subscribed to my videos and don't always see like the good sides of my videos, and they may cast judgment of why is your room so messy, and I understand that, but also like just be kind. That's all I'm asking. Tell, I just have stuff all over the floor. My shoes, just like I just take them off and I leave them there, and I just need to pick those things up. I had things that I needed to send back to Amazon, and I had gone on a trip. I did a vision board. It was just like so much stuff. And again, like, this is how I feel in my head. There's so much stuff, and I don't know, it's just I always want my videos to be like uplifting, and I want you to always enjoy it. So I just want to also give you the real me, and I told y'all that in my last video that I will always keep it 100 with you guys and show you the real me at all times. And this is me. And anyways, but also as I'm cleaning, I am watching The Circle, which is on Netflix. So this is like the first like TV show that I watched in a very long, like a while now, and I just forgot how good it was. And so you'll probably see like facial expressions of like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened, or what in the world just happened.
I'm done with it, 'cause now I see the benefit. I'm saving so much time, no vengeance on my mind. If I ever see you, I really wouldn't mind, yeah. And if we were to talk some, I'll just be polite, yeah. I could even the score with your friend like you did mine, but you don't matter no more, and I'm not the heartless kind of type. My nemesis.
So what have been some shows that you have been watching on Netflix? Like, I need new shows to watch. I haven't watched Netflix in a very long time. Like I said, The Circle was something I just watched, but like I want something else to watch, because now I'm in this kick where I want to start back watching Netflix. And so give me some of your like best shows that you have watched on Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus.
Score with your friend like you did mine, but you don't And I'm not the heartless kind of type. My nemesis, you used to be my nemesis, but I ain't got the time to let you bring me down. I'm done with it, 'cause now I see the benefit. I'm saving so much time, no vengeance on my mind.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about.
So I just placed a Grove order, and I'm trying the peppermint for the very first time, and I thought it smelled so good. Like, I love all their scents, most of their scents I should say, but this one was really nice. I really like it. So I'm glad I got this one, and like my whole room would just smell like peppermint, and it just, I don't know, it just smelled great. Usually I use the wood spray, but I just wanted something different since I had gotten this spray, so that's why I tried this one out in my room.
It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till we're done. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober. I see that face and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts.
So this painting of Cooper I got from my coworker for a birthday gift, and you will see in a little bit where I end up putting it. And I just thought it was so cute and so thoughtful because she knows how much I love Cooper, and I just thought it was just so cute and just so, again, so thoughtful.
I'm out of ideas, I don't know if I'll cope without you. Yeah, it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows 'cause it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts. Shivers, it hurts. You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time.
into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh,
So now that I have finished up mopping the floors, I wanted to go ahead and just get my bed cleaned off because it was nighttime. So I didn't want to put out my decor pillows since I would be just like getting ready for bed when I got done filming this. So I'm just gonna put my weighted blanket under my comforter, and then like there's a black thing that you'll see. It's actually a massager. Like you can sit in a chair or in a bed. So I usually use it in my bed, and it just massages my body, or it can work as a heating pad as well. But I'm just gonna finish up cleaning off my bed, and like I said, I'm not putting in my decor pillows. I'm just gonna leave my silk pillows out, and also the room spray that you will see. That was a gift from one of my students as my birthday gift, and so I just thought that was so sweet. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some like motivation to, you know, get up and, you know, clean with me, or if you are feeling depressed, or, you know, just any type of way, like if you have your space clean, I realize like once I get my space clean, I start to feel better. So that's why I took the steps of doing this video, because I knew it would motivate me to get this area cleaned up. And so again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Baby, you got my attention, so you would say